Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be doing a BoxyCharm box unboxing. It is the July box, so I do apologize about that. I didn't get it until the end of the month. I took a poll on Instagram and Facebook to see if you guys would still want to see it or not, or if you just wanted to wait until my August box. But everybody said that they wanted to see it, so here you go. I went ahead and did a good bit of my face already because there isn't a whole face in the box. This month's box is fantasy, and the little cards are nice because you get to see like what the actual prices of each thing is and everything like that. I'm going to start off with the products that I can't use on my face right now, or just use in general, because I can't really use an eye cream right now. I got a whole face on. I'm going to start with the Mud Masky Vitamin Infused Eye Serum. This is what it looks like. It retails at $63. It says the delicate skin around the eyes is 10 times thinner than the skin on the rest of the face, making it the first place to exhibit signs of premature aging such as dark circles and fine lines. This serum contains a blend of all natural vitamin C, a superfood ingredient essential for firming the skin. With a refreshing and powerful antioxidant effect, the serum is ideal for all skin types. Okay. This one product alone is $63. The base box that I have right here is $25. So you already got your money back. I'm going to keep this and I'm going to like try it out, and I'll let you guys know in about a month or so how I feel about it. And then we have the Lifestyle Co. Detox Hair Serum. That's what it looks like. It says it is $79 retail. Jesus. Says nourish and balance the scalp and hair with this hydrating elixir. Made from nutrient-dense plant oils such as argan and almond oils, this plant-based formula stimulates and soothes dry and itchy scalp, promotes healthy growth, and leaves your hair shiny and soft. Nice. I will be giving this a try as well. I'll use it for a month as well and let you guys know. Hopefully I remember to do it. Okay, now we're going to start getting into products that I can actually use on my face right now. I'm going to go ahead and do my brows because I feel like I look crazy without them on. This is the Billion Dollar Brows On Point Micro Pencil. It is retailed at $16. When precision matters, this Brows On Point Micro Brow Pencil will help you get the look you want. This precise brow pencil features a thin tip to cover each and every hair with the color you want and can create hair-like strokes for a natural-looking brow. It came in the color taupe, so I hope it matches. And this is what it looks like. Just like your standard brow pencil. It has a spoolie, which is a very good sign. The little spinny thing is very loose feeling. That is how big the tip is. That's what she said. Okay, this looks like it's going to be a good color. You see that? Just brush my brow hairs up. And yes, I really need to do my brows, so don't judge me. It's actually very, very dark. I would not expect this color when I hear taupe. You know what I mean? When I think of taupe, I think of like black, like, blah. When I think of taupe, I think of like blonde hair. very, very creamy so far. It's very, very pigmented in one swipe, so be very, very careful, because like you could easily just like fuck up your whole brow. That's one brow done. It doesn't seem like a bad brow pencil, it's just I clearly got the wrong color, or in my opinion. It's way too dark, especially for it saying that it was taupe. It was very fine, very easy to define my brow and also do the brow-like strokes. But I don't think I like it because it's too creamy. I don't know how to explain it fully. Okay, I'm gonna do the other brow off camera and I'll be right back. Okay, I went ahead and did both of my brows. I do not like the color of this at all. It's super dark and muddy looking, like I don't know how to explain it. But I don't like it. I don't like the color. I don't like how it's super, super emollient to where like if you just make one wrong move, it's like you smeared it all over your face pretty much. But you might like it. I don't know what your preferences are. Next thing up on the list is the Grande Cosmetics Grande Glow Plumping Liquid Highlighter, which automatically throws me off. How does a highlighter plump your face? I guess we're gonna find out today. A plumping liquid highlighter infused with a rapid skin lifting system, Vin Uplift, to firm and tighten fine lines. This pearlescent formula provides the plumping and moisturizing power to give your skin a radiant, luminescent glow. It says it retails for $25. This is what it looks like. Looks super pretty. Oh, it's got a giant doe foot. Smear it on the back of my hand. It's super pretty. I went ahead and just set my under eyes and my T-zone because I saw this in the box. I'm trying to think of what would be best to use it with. I'm just going to use my sponge. That did nothing, so maybe apply it directly to the face. Is that a mistake? And go right there. Try to do one spot at a time. You want your roller coaster? Don't ask me about my freedom. Don't ask me about my wisdom. Maybe the sponge is not the move. So let me try one more time. Put a couple drops and I'll use my finger. You want it, you need it, but why? Okay, that helped a little bit. Yeah, that was definitely the way to go. Definitely use your finger with this one. Okay, let me look. When I'm looking straight on at the mirror, there is a humongous white cast on my face. When you turn sideways though, I mean, it's real pretty. Let me do the other side. Trying to like diffuse out, like you see the line right there. It's not bad. It's pretty, but there's a giant difference. Like, you can see exactly where it ends. I am feeling a cooling sensation where I put that. I don't know if that's supposed to be the plumping thing. The last thing I have in my box is the Alamar Cosmetics Brighten and Bronze Complexion Trio. It looks like this. Very pretty. It retails for $25. It says add dimension, warmth, and luminosity to your skin with this complexion trio, which includes sculpting powders designed to bronze and brighten your look. Designed with skin tone and skincare in mind. They are talc-free and formulated with hyaluronic acid for a hydrated and buttery smooth finish, vegan and cruelty-free. I cannot read today. This is what the inside looks like. Swatch. Ooh. That is buttery, like super buttery. Oh my god. That's the 3 colors. Can you see them? Like right here. I'm gonna use my Morphe M405, this guy. And I'm going to dip into, I'm gonna use the lighter bronzer shade first. Oh, I dug my nail into it. This one. Pale Wear. This is definitely helping soften the edge of that highlighter. It is pretty. Oh my god. This is stunning. This might actually take the spot of my favorite bronzer. I like too that it's not like super dark and orange, because I'm a very pale chick. Like I don't see the sun ever. That's a lie. I do see, you know what I mean. It looks like I've never seen the sun before. Still feeling the cooling sensation. I always run bronzer down my neck. Not so much for the color, like to make myself look tan or anything, it's just to make my face match my body a little bit more, make it more cohesive. This looks really pretty. I'm just gonna take it on the sides of my nose. I floof it into my eye right here to make it all blend together. That's the bronzer on. I might take a smaller brush and do the deepener. I'm going to take the same brush that I used on my nose. It's the Morphe M501. I'm just going to take a little bit of the deepener and place it like right here. I'm very impressed with this palette, guys. I would say this one palette, which is the same price as the whole box, it's $25, makes the whole box worth it. Tiny bit of that deepener underneath the jaw, just to give it a little bit more definition. And I'm going to dust off that same brush, rubbing it on my arm to make sure it's all gone. And I'm going to dip into the highlight shade. See, that's prettier. It's still like a shine from within type of thing, but it's also not like super harsh like how it is right here. Like, I haven't put it right here yet. I just put it up here. Take a little bit of that on my finger. Just boop it on the end of my nose. My skin's extra dry today. Need to exfoliate. Okay, now that I have everything from the box on my face, I'm going to finish up my face and I'll be right back. Alright guys, that is the end of this video. This is how the face turned out. Give you one last peek of it. I added the whole box together, the value of everything, like the retail value, and it came out to $208. And you only pay $25 for the box. Automatically, to me, that's an amazing deal. If some of the products don't work out for you, like they didn't work out for me, you can always give them to a family member or a friend or somebody that could use it and like it. I'm going to go over each one of the products again. The highlighter, this guy, I don't personally like it. It had that weird cooling feeling, and it like left like a harshness on the side of my face, so it wasn't my cup of tea. The eye serum and the hair serum, I will have to try both of these, and I will let you know how I feel about them in the future. The star of this video, in my opinion, is the Alamar Cosmetics Complexion Trio. Love this. Absolutely love this, and will be using this again. And the last thing was the Billion Dollar Brows Pencil. I don't like it. It's too creamy and emollient, in my opinion, and the color wasn't quite right for me, so I don't like it. But yeah guys, that is the end of this video. I hope you guys like it, and I promise I'll get the August one up sooner. Hopefully my box will come in sooner this time. But anyways, I hope you guys have a wonderful day, evening, whatever time it is when you're watching this. Bye!